Hello everyone, I've just arrived on the little island of La Palma in the Canary Islands. I've come here with my good buddy Mr. Dave Poxon, veteran of workshops and who's helped me on many occasions do stuff, to do a recce, to find out if this is going to be a really brilliant location to run a workshop, to do photography and all that stuff. We literally arrived about 20 minutes ago. We're driving up, it's up the side of the caldera because this place is just one huge volcano and you can see behind me it's pretty lush. We saw a gap by the side of the road and we're literally just coming down to see what there is to see because look, they built this kind of parking bay and viewpoint, and in front of me we've got, look, you see, this is quite interesting, isn't it? We're up high, we're just below the clouds and looking down towards the coast. And it all looks quite nice. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Having the clouds, look, just kissing the top here. And as we walk around, we get kind of some different angles. Now, I've no idea how good this is going to be or how good it isn't going to be. As my buddy Thor out in Iceland always says, if you don't go, you don't know. So if you're kind of nervous about going somewhere because you don't know if it'll be good or not, that's the risk you take. That's the investment you have to make. Now, there's obviously a couple of quite nice shots here. Are they up to workshop standard? I don't know. The things that we are going to have to find out is, logistics. How long will it take to get from place to place? Where can we park? I saw a couple of places coming out the road thinking, that's fantastic. Will we be able to stop a minibus there and get everybody off? Or will it be too dangerous because we're blocking the road or something? This is what I'm here to find out. I've come over here because I want you to say hello to Mr. David Poxon. Hello, Dave.
Hello, everyone.
There you go. Some of you may already know Dave. He's the kind man who lent me his Olympus, whatever it is. What is it?
Olympus OMD EM1 Mark II.
There we go. When I left my Fuji on top of the bus a year ago on Lanzarote. So anyway, we'll be checking in with you off and on over the coming weeks. Might try and do a little bit of live if there's something interesting going on, or maybe so you can ask some questions. I'm just letting you know that we're here. This is what we're doing. So far it looks kind of promising. Dave keeps going, ooh, as we're driving along. Ooh. We're about, I don't know, what, 11, 12 minutes from where we're staying. We've got to suss out, we haven't even sussed out where we're staying yet.
Yeah, we're not far away, but we'll see what happens. It might develop into something interesting, mightn't it?
It just might, There's all sorts of things to think about. It's not a terribly big island, but it winds around one huge volcanic caldera. Go on, if you want to take pictures, mate, I'm going to have a look over the side. It winds around one huge volcano. And so, even though as the crow flies, distances may not be very big, we've got to travel a little bit because we've got to go round and round and round and round and round to find a way. Anyway, please stay tuned, keep an eye open. If your notification bell is pressed, then you will know when I post a little video. I've talked far too long already. I'm going to give you a last little look at what's in front of me, and hopefully we'll have some good stuff for you over the coming few days. On Thursday I am flying to Zurich to run the masterclass over there. So tonight we'll be looking at Google Maps, doing research, figuring out which direction the sunrise will be, etc. So we kind of have some idea where to go, and then we will be going there over the following 2 days at the right times, hopefully, to shoot pictures, shoot video, and I'll do a few little of these iPhone videos when we get there. That's kind of pretty, isn't it, looking over that way. Anyway, take care guys, please stay tuned and I'll keep you informed.